Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can create your account on the Badoo Dating app. So first of all, you need to download the Badoo Dating app either from your Play Store or App Store. As you can see, this is the official app and I've already downloaded it. Now once downloaded, open your app, and here to create an account, first of all you need to identify your gender, or you also have an option with creating your Badoo account using your Apple ID or your Facebook account as well. So I will show you another way. So here, first of all, confirm your identity and now set a profile name and then tap on continue, and here enter your birth date and afterwards tap on continue. Now you need to provide a valid email address in this box because Badoo will send you a verification code to your email address later on, or you also have the option to create your Badoo account using your cell number as well. So first of all, enter your email address here, and then once you have entered your email address, tap on continue. If you want Badoo to send you special offers, and tap on the OK option, or you can skip that part and then tap on no thanks option. Now you need to upload a photo as well, so tap on upload photo option. You can take a direct photo from the camera, or you can choose your photo from gallery, or you can connect your Instagram or your Facebook. I just tap on the photo option, then tap on allow access to all, then tap on upload one option. Now you can add other photos if you wish, or you can then tap on continue. Now you need to create a password as well. Here, give a password, and then tap on let's go option. Tap on continue so that you can personalize your experience. So if you want Badoo to track your activity, tap on ask app not to track, or you can tap on the allow option. Then by tapping on the I accept option here, you follow all the privacy policy of the Badoo account. Now tap on complete your profile option, or you can directly tap on start swiping option, but I'll show you how you can complete your profile. So tap on complete your profile option. Now just answer the questions as asked. Now you can write something about yourself if you want to, and then tap on done as you want. These are all the general questions. You can skip the part, or you can continue to answer, so that might take some time. And as you can see, that's how you create a Badoo account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.